Oh hey, it's me Olive, your sassy sorceress, and welcome back to my channel. It's spooky season, so it's time for another Halloween makeup tutorial. And a common Halloween costume that like everyone has done is like a witch. Groundbreaking. As queers, we do love some witches, like let's be honest. And one of the witches that like started it all was the Wicked Witch of the West from Wizard of Oz. And also Glinda the Good Witch. So I thought, you know, why not have like your normal like glam Glinda look on your face, but like Dorothy threw some water on you, or somebody switched your setting spray out with just water. And like, oh, underneath it all, guess who you are? Elphaba bitch. You're the Wicked Witch of the West. Gag. And it kind of matches me because like on the outside, I like try to come off as like Glinda, like bubbly and bright. But then, you know, on the inside, I'm just, you know, misunderstood, different to society because, you know, stuff. So I thought I'd take two famous witches and combine them into one beautiful makeup tutorial for y'all. So if you want to see what that looks like, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more drag fun. I'm gonna go shape my face, glue my brows down, get my base done, do all the, you know, the stuff that you need to see. All right, I'll be right back. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have my base all done. My brows all complete. It looks weird, I know. I have like one like green eye, which is, you know, kind of different. It's a vibe, right? Like, we're gonna make it a thing. So for this look today, like I said, Wizard of Oz inspired. So I thought, why not like do like both witches, be Glinda and Elphaba, be the good witch from the north and the wicked witch from the west, right? No, listen, trust the process, you'll see. So for this look today, on one side we're doing Glinda, just normal glam, super fun, flirty, feminine, cute. And then for this side, I figured, oh look, she has some water splashed on her, and then like, oh my gosh, it's melting. I'm melting into the Wicked Witch. So for this look, we're starting with this eye, normal, glam, you know what to do. Let's do it. I'm starting off with a brown in the crease. For the Glinda side, I'm keeping it nice and soft because, you know, her character is like, she's the good witch. She's like soft, bubbly, cute, fun. Little warm browns in the crease right now. And then on the lid, we're just doing like an icy blue to match her dress. I believe it was blue. Or is it pink? Oh my gosh. Am I getting it confused? Reference photo? It's pink. No big deal. We can do pink. Yep, we'll do a pink on the lid. Ooh, and then I can even put a little bit, that's what we'll do, roughly. So right now I'm taking a little bit of Mila and I'm placing that in my crease. Oh, that's why. So Glinda in Wicked has like a blue dress and a pink dress, and the shade Pride has both, so why the fuck not? Now I'm gonna deepen that up with the shade 5 AM. I'm blending out that shade with the shade Blend and Snap.
I'm pretty excited.
And now I'm gonna cut the crease. Ah, I love Glinda, how she like comes in on bubbles. It's like so cute. Like, oh, that's how I want to enter like every room that I enter, like ever. It's like with bubbles. That's an entrance, bitch. I mean, between the two characters, I see myself more in Elphaba if we're strictly talking about Wicked. Especially because Idina Menzel brought this depth to the character. Now I'm placing the shade Pride all over the lid with my finger.
What? That's crazy.
Didn't she say the back of your head looks like a butt?
Yes, and that's why I wear a hat.
I'm using some setting spray and a brush to get more precision. Alright, now that I have that all on my crease, I
Fruit salad! Oh my god, the best!
blended out the outer third with the shade Mila and 5 AM. And I'm blending out that shade with the shade Blend and Snap. Now she's all soft. And now for the next side, should we start that? No, we'll do the lower lash line. Lower lash line first. So I'm just gonna take the same shades from the top and I'm placing them in the bottom just to smoke everything out. We're keeping a rounded shape for Glenda because, you know, she's like more feminine and like soft and everything. And then for like, you know, Elphaba, we're going for a wing. Severe. It's getting severe up in here, as they say. I don't, yeah. This fruit salad, the best.
What?
My eczema.
Just tell it to not be there.
Stop it. Okay, right now I'm just doing my liner and I'm gonna smoke that out with some black also. How many of you have like seen like Wicked? Like that, like changed like Wizard of Oz for me forever. Like it's so good. That musical, like seeing it live, game changer. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm taking the shade Shady from the Lunar Beauty palette and I'm using that to deepen everything up. She definitely feels like an Elphaba. An outcast. Because, you know, people are bigots. Alright, now I'm gonna map out this Elphaba liner to see what I want to do with it. Alright, I think I have like mapped out and I think I might just want to like make it like a smoky eye. Right? Is that the vibe we want to go for? I think that's the vibe we want to go for. We want to go for a smoky eye. We're doing a smoky eye. Oh, with some green glitter on top. That'd be fun. We're doing that. That's what we're doing. Ah, yay me. I'm glad we thought of that. So the look I'm going for is if Glenda the Good Witch had water thrown on her and underneath it she was the Wicked Witch of the West. Get the best of both worlds. Like we're Hannah Montana, bitch. Now I'm placing the shade Ill in my crease. Also, a lot of the times I'll be referring to the Wicked Witch of the West as Elphaba because the one I'm most familiar with is from Wicked because I'm a we love our musicals. She's had different aliases over different media. Next I'm taking a forest green, placing that lower in the crease to create more depth. Now I'm using a black to deepen everything up. The Wicked Witch of the West used to like terrify me as a child with her fireballs and everything. And the flying monkeys, absolutely not. Also, they kind of reminded me of my brother because he like couldn't stay still. It's exhausting, like calm down. So, like I normally do, totally changed my mind and I'm cutting the crease. But we're doing it all the way to the brow.
You're gonna be a hot mess because I'm actually gonna be a hot mess.
You're describing a stereotype. Don't be a witches.
Now I'm just gonna add some NYX glitter to the lid. Margaret Hamilton did that in The Wizard of Oz. Gave me nightmares as a child. Now I'm mapping out my liner. Oh my god, I totally forgot that Mila Kunis played her in Oz the Great and Powerful. I mean, that's not a read. Defying Gravity, life-changing song. Everyone's tried to hit that note. Like, wait, let's be honest. You know which one. So now that I have this like eye basically mapped out, I'm just gonna like add some more green foundation to the lower half and then like smoke that out with the same colors. And then we can start doing like the acid like green drips. Oh, fuck. Sorry about that, my light died. All right, now I'm gonna map out the water drips that will create the Wicked Witch of the West face. All right, as you can see, I have my lashes on and I like have this eye all mapped out and it really looks like I have like the little acid like dripping. It's kind of fun. Oh yeah, and while you were gone, I mapped out the rest of this. I added some to the neck. I finished the lower lash line to this eye. You know, and we're just gonna pull. So I'm gonna go do my finishing touches off camera to save some time, get my jag on, and I'll be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, y'all. This Wicked inspired Elphaba / Glenda Wicked Witch of the, honestly, just of Oz look is all finished. How do we feel about it? I feel like I look so cute and gorge. I look like Glenda, super fun, super flirty, super femme, with like a little touch of like Elphaba. Like she's like coming at you. Like Dorothy threw the water on me and now she's melting, bitch. You can see like who's truly underneath all this facade that like Glenda puts on. Elphaba's underneath. We all know.
Like a bitch.
How dare you? She's just misunderstood. No, let's be honest. Glenda's probably a Karen.
Yeah, she is. She got everyone to do all this dirty work for her.
She does know how to make an entrance, though.
She made what's her name kill the witch. She made her commit homicide and theft. She made her steal those shoes.
It's fine. Do I look like Kristen Chenoweth? So how do we feel about this look? So for like the Elphaba side, I definitely like arch the eyebrows slightly higher. I don't know if you can tell. If I look at you straight on, maybe. But yeah, she's like more wicked and like evil. Evil. Misunderstood. She's been through some shit. let's be honest. So I decided to do like the pink lid with like the pride colors from like the NikkieTutorials palette because they're like fun and they definitely remind me of like Glinda and stuff. And I think her like dress, for some reason I think it's blue and Wicked, and like Wizard of Oz, it's pink. Oh, Wizard of Oz, that was like a game changer when I was a child. It was so fun and like whimsical. It was a fun escape. Oh, a little fun fact, did you know that like gays, like way back then, they used to like, how do I say this, identify each other by like asking if they were a friend of Dorothy?
Oh, they speak in code.
Oh yeah, they're speaking in code. Are you a friend of Dorothy? Let me know in the comment section below. All right, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Box for more drag fun. All right, I'll see you next week. Makeup all over my hand.
I think we could all use a drink. Right?
Great.
Great. Fucking sucks.
It really fucking sucks. You know what does suck? My foundation breaking apart. That sucks.
Insert knife stabby noises.
And then there's a homophobic zoom in on the main stage.
And then it's gonna be a whole thing. It's gonna be your arc.
Sorry, I have really thick facial hair and very sensitive skin.
Okay, I'll take you.
I'm sorry?
Huh?